Hi, I'm Stephanie Sage with Sage Restoration. Welcome back to my first time homebuyer tips series. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of gutters and downspouts. When you are taking a look at a property, check out the gutters. See if they are full of leaves and debris. See if the downspouts are directing water out and away from the property. This is very important because if the gutters are full, water is just going to free fall down like a waterfall, and then it will begin to pool around the foundation and ultimately make its way into your basement. And then if the downspouts aren't directing water, with an extender out, water can also be left to pool and ultimately make its way into your basement. So that's just something that you need to keep in mind. When you make that purchase, just remember that gutters do require maintenance by getting up there when all the leaves have dropped off the trees and cleaning them out, or buying a gutter guard system to keep leaves and debris from getting into your gutters, and just making sure that you do proper maintenance with them. It can save you a lot of money and time and trouble in the long run. So check me out next week, and happy house hunting, and have a good rest of your week.